Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this coffee table, and the brand was nice enough to send it over to us for us to check out. Now, this thing here, pretty standard, which actually is really nice. Really easy to put this thing together. I'll go ahead and kind of move it around here for you so that you can see exactly what I mean. But you just have these four pieces right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they connect to this bottom wooden piece as well as this top wooden piece. And that's it. That's all you have to do in order to put this together. Super simple. You just have your screws down here to hold the parts together, and then a screw up here to hold them together. And then you have the cross hatch here down at the bottom. So overall, super easy to put this together. It looks really nice. It's really heavy duty, really solid. I really like the coloring on this. I believe they do have a few different colors of this available as well. So yeah, you have the nice area down here on the bottom to put stuff, a very spacious top up here to put stuff, very affordable, very easy to put together, and looks very nice. So if you're interested in something like this, go ahead and check it out.